Does your PC take forever to start? Before you buy more RAM, reinstall Windows and try this built-in Windows feature. It takes less than 2 minutes and could make your computer boost faster. Now, right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager and go to the Startup apps, and now disable the apps which you don't want. Just disable it, and don't disable Windows security system. Only disable the apps which you don't want. Disable OneDrive, and also disable library wallpaper, and also disable rain meter, and don't disable security held stray. Every time you turn on your PC, lot of apps can start running in the background. The more apps that launch automatically, the slower your startup become. Let's fix that. Look for apps with a high startup impact. This usually slows down your PC the most. If you don't need an app running every time your computer starts, right click it and choose disable. For example, app like Discord, Spotify, Steam, Adobe Creative Cloud, or Microsoft Teams don't have to open automatically unless you use them every day. Just make sure you don't disable Windows services, your antivirus, or hardware drivers. After that, restart your PC. That's it. A simple Windows setting that can make your PC feel faster without downloading any software. Follow for more hidden Windows tips that actually work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.